Hi there, my name is Alice, and if you're currently an alto and looking to really kind of work on your upper register and really move into that soprano section of your voice, getting classically voice trained can be a great way to do this. When you're being classically trained, you are really working on the technical side of it and working on also singing correctly and safely. When you're doing this, you will expand your range anyway. You can't necessarily just jump from being an alto to a soprano or a soprano to an alto. This takes a lot of work on your technique and your range, and when you work, and I find that as myself, as a soprano, sometimes my high notes are not coming out at all because I haven't been practicing and really working my upper register. So even though you might already be a soprano, sometimes that can be super difficult to maintain all the time if you're not practicing. So like any other instrument, you need to really continue to practice and get those lessons in it and keep practicing every day or whenever you can to really keep your kind of upper register warmed up, so then the higher notes will come a lot easier. So doing this over time will really create a broader range for you and can be a great way to move from that lower alto voice up into a more mezzo soprano voice as well.